Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to see if someone is active on Instagram. So you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So want to know if someone is online on Instagram. So here's exactly how to check if someone is active right now or recently. So there is multiple methods. The method one is check via direct message or DMs. Means go to the Instagram app and go to your DM sections, which is at the very top right of this page. Click on the messenger icon like section, and there you can see the person. Like look under the names in your message list. You may see like green signal means active on, they are online right now. You can see like active 5 minutes ago or active today, etc. You can see like the sent message or the option like seen, and means they opened your message. And the second method is check their activity. Even if the last active status is hidden, you can look for clues, like if there is a green, then they just posted a story or reel. If the heart button is going on, means they are liking or commenting your post. You can see like typing in DMs, that kinds of activity will be seen. But if you don't see their activity status, it could be because they turned off their activity status off. You turned off yours off, so you can see anyone else, or you can't see of others too, or you have never messaged each other. So this might be so you can't see the activity status is on. So you can't turn on their activity status, but obviously you can turn on your activity status. To do so, you can go to your profile and go to your menu sections and go to select the option settings and privacy, and tap the message and story replies and select the option activity status and enable your activity status on. So your activity status will be on, but until and unless the person who want to see if they are active or not, if they have enabled their activity status on, you can see it. If not, you can't see it. So that's how you can do it. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.